Okay, let's go through the installation process for Microsoft Project. On your machine, just go to wherever you've downloaded your file, and mine will be in my downloads folder. And this is an ISO file or a disk image file. So to be able to do that here on my Windows 10 machine, I'm going to have to set that to mount. So we'll see the mount option here. When I right click, I'll click the mount button here in File Explorer, and then I'll be able to mount that as a drive. So it's calling it the E drive here. So I'm going to run the application. Here's the setup application. I'm going to double click that. Asking, do I want to allow that? Well, of course I do. Click yes and let the setup process begin. And this can take a different amount of time on each person's machine based on your setup and the system that you have that you're working with. I am obviously using a Windows 10 machine here for doing mine. You can see here the installation window has popped up and showing me the progress bar down here. And we are done. The software is installed. Now we should be able to allow it to run whenever we want to use it. Of course, with it being 2016, there's probably going to be a lot of updates that you're going to see over the first week or so. So let's go ahead and close that. And I should be able to find that available in my start list. So if I click on the start button here, there is my recently added Project 2016. I'll click on that and be brought to the start screen for Microsoft Project 2016. And there is our start screen. We're going to put in our product key and be able to get full access to our software. With the product key entered, I'll hit the install button and let that finish. Now that that's finished, you can see that it's looking to see if there's any Microsoft provided templates to put here on the start screen. So you can see the templates have loaded in the background, and we're given this screen for us to accept the Microsoft Office license agreement. If we don't accept that, we can't use the software, so obviously we're going to hit accept. And now we have access to our start screen. We have our blank template and many other starter templates for us. Now we have access to our software. If I go ahead and click on blank project, we'll see that that will load into the predefined Gantt chart look, which is the default setting for Microsoft Project. We have successfully installed Microsoft Project 2016. So now you have a video to help you guide through the setup process, and you should be able to get started as soon as you complete the steps that I've completed in this video. Good luck everyone, and don't hesitate to reach out to me, R. Martin Jr. at ivytech.edu.